Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Innsky Air Fryer 5.8 QT 1700 W Air Fryer Oven for roasting, high-tech cooking appliances and oilless cooker with LED touchscreen, 7 cooking presets, preheat, and recipes book, newest version. Nutrition and healthy eating. Deep frying adds a lot of calories and trans fats which may increase the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Innsky Air Fryer cooks by 360 degrees circulating hot air around the food and makes the food produce a crispy layer via the Maillard effect with 85% less oil. It doesn't deconstruct the good nutrients. Meanwhile, keep the food being delicious the same as deep frying. Versatility and saving space. With a range of 180 to 400, this air cooker allows you grill, bake, and roast food. Not only can you make traditionally fried foods, but it's also great for vegetables, proteins like chicken wings and drummettes, and appetizers like coquettes and feta triangles. Even desserts like brownies and blondies are perfectly baked in this air fryer. Maximize your culinary potential. No sweat, no tears. Easy to read LED touchscreen with 7 presets allows you to cook different delicious effortlessly. Cooking is fast and free from splattering oil vapor all over your kitchen countertop. All removable parts go into the dishwasher. Washing by hand is easy too. No sweating. Cook in hot summer and troublesome cleanup after cooking. Auto shut off and memory. This air fryer is designed to be shut down automatically when time is up, which means you can set your air fryer and then forget about the food until it's ready to eat. Halfway through cooking, you can also remove the basket to shake or add seasoning without interrupting the preset time or temperature. Strive to be your best comes with a recipe book including 32 recipes. It will give you a few extra ideas if you are not sure what to make with this air fryer. Innsky brand is committed to 100% customer satisfaction, 90-day no reason. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.